Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today we have my FAB FIT FUN box, which I'm super excited about because this is the fall box and we're still in September, and in the South in September, it's still summer. So it's like 2 boxes in summer, you know? Before we get into this box, please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel before you leave. I would greatly appreciate it. Helps people find my videos. All is good, you know? So fall box, it's September. It's hot. It's hot in my house. I'm hot. I'm wearing long sleeves because fall. I bought a harvest candle at Target because I don't know why. We're just gonna pretend that it's fall. Don't mind my poor dying plant. Oh shit. Don't mind my dying plant. I was gone for a week and she didn't get watered and I'm trying to keep her alive. Okay. This box is noticeably, like when I opened my door to get this off of my porch, this is noticeably smaller than some other FAB FIT FUN boxes. I've recycled all the other ones. I don't think I have one here in the house, but this is definitely noticeably smaller. Like typically I'm like, oh my god, look how big this thing is compared to my head, you know? But this is definitely smaller, which is okay. I'm sure it's still a great box. I did already cut the tape open here, so you know, less packaging is good. Maybe they're trying to be more green. Maybe I should stop complaining. Typically there's tissue paper, but we have this brown stuff, brown paper here this time. Again, maybe they're being more green. I don't know. We have our magazine, like always. Padma Lakshmi. I don't know how to say her name. I know she's an actress, I think. So in the magazine, you'll find all of the things that you could have gotten in your box and some really good articles, just like a nice little, you know, magazine, fitness, lifestyle, health, food, pumpkin spice recipes for your basic needs. We got Kristen Cavallari in here. She's cute. All right, so then you've got all of your stuff here that you could have gotten in the box. You can see how much it cost. I just get the basic box. I don't upgrade. 50 bucks a month is, or 50 bucks 4 times a year is just enough for me. So I did pick a few things. I think it was back in, actually I don't think it was that long ago. I want to say it was like August that I actually picked stuff for this box. So I actually got it earlier than I anticipated getting it. HelloFresh coupon, which we always get. FAB FIT FUN. Oh, $15 off your first box. So I can pass that along to somebody, which that's really nice. And then a $45 Bright Sellers on your first box of personal wine. Okay, so a wine box, $45 off. Take a quiz, view your matches, join and redeem your $45 credit. My mom has a wine subscription that she gets every month. Typically I get to benefit from that and get like a bottle because she gets 6 bottles a month. So she's like, try this one and let me know what you think. Because then she reviews them and then sends them that review and they base that review on what they sent her the next time. So we have a Mason Tops Mason Jar Hydration Kit. This retails for $35. Just comes in this kind of brown box here. Ooh, it's teal or turquoise. Oops. Oh, that's interesting. It's like a, this is like soft. It's almost like a neoprene type type cover, I guess, for grip, because it is glass. Oh, it's a mason jar, so it's glass. So mason jar, like water bottle. Ditch the plastic and opt for this sleek glass bottle which holds up to 20 ounces. So that's cool. It's cute. It'd be a great, like, you shouldn't have glass at the pool, but it'd be a great like pool thing. I don't know. Or something just to have in your car. I like this because no slip, you know, with condensation and whatnot, I guess, on the glass, and then you just take it out to wash it. That's interesting. Oh, this is cute. It's like in a little milk carton shaped thing. This is the Beauty Crop Glow Milk Nourished with coconut and argan oil. Illuminating Milk for face and body. It's got a cute little smiley face there. I like that. I hate to like rip into this. It's so cute. Oh, you don't. It's a, ooh. Okay, so yeah, it's like illuminating drops. I don't know. I guess you could add these to your I guess you could add these to your foundation. Beauty Crop. This is $19.50. This highlighter gives you a lit from within glow. So you've got like a dropper here. Ooh, she's thick. She's thick. Achieve a healthy luminous glow by brushing 3 dots of our illuminating milk on the high points of your face and collarbone. Blend with your fingertips for natural radiance. Repeat for a more dramatic strobing effect. Okay, so you want to shake it up. That's smart. So you shake it up and then I guess place it right on your face, right on your body. I would guess you could mix it in with moisturizer or something if you wanted to get all over, because I feel like you would use a lot. Like barrettes here. This bag is not a toy. No kidding. Hair clips, not barrettes. I think I've said the word barrette in like 20 years. 8 other reasons Runway Clip Trio. Pin your hair to perfection with this trio of resin plated pins. $32. Holy moly. For hair pins? For clips? Hair clips? I'll get it one day. I mean, they're cute. But $32? These are your, like, I guess like the resin, like they're kind of marbly. So I got a pink theme, red theme going on here. Is that cute? Can you even see it? I don't think you can see it. These are great for like when you're putting on makeup and needing to put your hair back for something. So I'll keep them around. All right, we have the Dr. Dennis Gross Alpha Beta Pore Perfecting and Refining Serum. If you have issues with pores that are enlarged and clogged with excessive oil, you want smaller looking pores and a smooth, flawless complexion. Well, who doesn't want a smooth, flawless complexion? I'm really afraid that I have red lipstick like all over my teeth. So it says ingredients like farnesol, adiptic acid, and okay, there's a lot of stuff in here. Mushrooms. Something mushroom. Help dissolve waxy buildup and flush away impurities. $65. I wonder when you're supposed to use this. AM or PM. Apply as an overall treatment on clean, dry skin. For best results, follow with a moisturizer of your choice. Another skincare product. I've been playing, dabbling, trying to find. Kind of think I found my new skincare. Excuse me. I've been playing, dabbling, trying to find, I think I have found my new skincare regimen, but happy to add something in and try it out if it's going to help make the look of my pores just a little more tight. Youthful. Tight? I don't know. Mom likes these. This is a Spun Gel, so it's a body wash infused buffer. Doesn't have a thing on it, so I'm gonna open it up real quick. Let's see. So this retails for $16. A body wash infused buffer cleanses and exfoliates the skin and offers up to 14 plus uses. So this little like flower petal, flower shape. This one smells good. Does this have a sweet cedarwood? That's what I was like. I wanted to say coconut, but I was like, that's not right. I think just because of the weight made me think of coconut. So cedarwood, interesting. Cleanses, exfoliates, hydrates, and massages. So instead of using like a loofah or like a you know, one of those sponges, the poofs or whatever, and putting soap on it, this already has soap on it, which is kind of cool. I'm somebody who I prefer to like pick my own soap or like my body wash, so I think I'll pass this one along. But all right, 3 more things. Got the Daniel Stone room spray. Oh, there was a pumpkin spice option. Darn. Santal Noir. Oh, Noir makes me think it's gonna be a little like manly. Ugh. Yep. Oh, just all went over my leg. Yeah, it's a little more manly. Sandalwood and cardamom. $36. This is 5 ounces. It's decent size, plastic bottle. It smells nice. I don't know if I really would want my house smelling like pumpkin spice, so I think I would prefer this one over the pumpkin spice option. But good to have a nice room spray and just refresh, you know, if you got company coming over. I'm excited about these because I picked these out as an option. These are the Nectar Sunglasses Blue Light Blocking Glasses in Brown Tortoise. Let's hope they look cute. They have like, so they have like the case, little drawstring pouch here. It's cute. I don't ever use the case. Oh wow. This is what they look like. There's my light, sorry, there's a glare. I feel like these are very librarian. I think I'll go with the red lipstick, right? It's like, ooh. Well, I think they're nice. I've been wanting a pair, so I think that's really fun and nice they offer that in there, because just in this day, we're all sitting and staring at our computers, or multiple computers, for hours and hours on end. So I imagine these are gonna come in handy for people who didn't want to bite the bullet and get a pair on their own. This girl, they're super light. Like, I feel like they're like nothing. And maybe I'll wear them. Maybe I'll use them. We'll see. I think the damage has probably already been done, but I guess we can try and be more preventative with our eye care when it comes to sitting at our computers all day, because I, for one, definitely sit from like 9 to 5, 9 to 6 looking at my computer. Sometimes, you know, that stretch of time. All right, we have one last thing in the box. The last thing, I did pick this out as well. I'm super excited about it. I hope it's cute. This is the 1B Botkier, B-O-T-K-I-E-R, New York Trigger Backpack. This multifunctional backpack, holy moly, holds all the essentials in style. $100. You $100? You expensive. It's little too. It's cute though. So that vinyl-y, not vinyl, but I don't know, like faux leather, I'm gonna guess. Up here you've got, opens up, you got a big old pocket, you got 2 zip pockets here on the front, and you got your straps back here with a little handle. So it could be fun for traveling. Okay guys, see you later. Gotta go. All right, let's do some math. It says typical total value is between $214 and $554. No, $544. $544, could you imagine? You paid 50 bucks for it. All right, my box was $297. I paid 50 bucks 4 times a year for this box. Pretty dang good. That was my Fab Fit Fun box. That's everything I got this season. It's fall season, so winter, I guess, will be, God, maybe January, I think is when we get the winter box. So it's gonna be a hot minute, but the way this year is going, it's probably gonna be here before you know it. So it'll be 2021 and hopefully better days ahead. Fingers crossed. Thank you guys so much for checking out my video. I hope you're happy, I hope you're well, and I hope you're having a good one. I'll see you next time. Bye.